Conversation swirling nationwide about whether to defund police departments. So what does that look like here locally? Our Medeiros Babb joining us live from police headquarters. Medeiros, as the budget process begins, the city council getting a lot of emails from citizens.
That's right. In fact, I talked to council members and they say that their inbox are overflowed with close to 1,000 emails from citizens, half asking for reform, the other half asking for the police department to be defunded.
Black lives matter!
For weeks, protesters covering the streets of Fresno. Monday was no different.
Justice!
Dominique Quigley with the Fresno County Defender's Office calling on officials to stop increasing money the police department gets each year and start spending it somewhere else.
Community services, social workers, things of that nature that can help provide safety to the community and assistance to our clients that wouldn't be necessarily law enforcement intervention.
2017, the city funded the police department at $152 million. In 2018, it went up to $170 million. And in 2019, it went up again to $184 million. Council President Miguel Arias says even though there was a significant increase in funding, the officers' response time hasn't changed.
Which is about 20 minutes right now for you to get an officer at your house during an urgent call. That, for me, is a bigger factor, is that we've given millions more, but the public hasn't received millions more and better public safety services.
Due to the pandemic, the city is expected to have a budget shortfall of over $50 million. Mayor Lee Brand not in support of cutting public safety funds.
The police department should, on a regular basis, review its operations on a continued basis. That means going more towards community-based policing, so be it. That's a long discussion. I don't think anybody here wants to defund the police department. I certainly don't want to defund the police department. We want to continue operations, listening to people about making changes if necessary.
Fresno Police Officer Association President Todd Frazier says the department needs more money, not less.
They're working on a skeleton crew, or with a skeleton crew, just like our police department in general. We're right around 800 officers. We should be about 950 to 1,000 officers. And if you really want to...
Now, also, the public will be able to share their thoughts during a virtual public forum tomorrow at 9 a.m. I will be posting the link to that later on our website, yourcentralvalley.com. Reporting live from Fresno, Medeiros Babb, KC24, local news that matters.